Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Karen. Welcome. I love doing little tutorials. For today's tutorial, I will be doing this lovely faux freckle, fresh face type of look. I'll be showing you the technique that I use to get these faux freckles. So if you want to see how I got that, stay tuned. So the technique that I use for my faux freckles is kind of like a splatter technique. Those that have you ever seen artists kind of like flick a brush onto their canvas and it creates these little specks of paint? That's what I'm gonna be doing on my face. So first, you're gonna be needing a densely packed brush, something like this, something that's gonna be nice to just kind of flick. And you're gonna be needing like a brown eyeshadow that you're not so precious with, that you don't mind kind of scraping off a little bit off the side, because that's what we're gonna use for the freckles. So let's get started. For most of my freckled looks, I do like looking kind of flushed, like if I have rosy cheeks, just because freckles come from the sun, and so I just think it's a very cute pairing. So I like putting blush all around my cheeks, up to the nose of my up to the bridge of my nose. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get any little top. I got a random water top, and you're just gonna scrape up the eyeshadow that you're not so precious with and put it on here. After that, you will be taking a setting spray and spraying this in the eyeshadow, making this type of mixture with the pigment inside. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip our brush, our dense brush, into the mixture we created. We're gonna grab the brush and we're gonna angle it towards our face. We're just gonna start flicking the solution across our face, slowly moving the brush, kind of like just a swooping motion upwards, getting the nose. The closer you are, the more concentrated they will be. The farther you are, the more dispersed and light they'll be. So kind of like do many variations of those positions, going farther and then a little more concentrated and then going to the side. It's important to remember that freckles are not uniform, so if there's like some differences of the sides, if they're not completely symmetrical, that's okay. But then again, these are the freckles you are creating. So right here, they got a little bit too bunched up for my liking, so I'm gonna fix that. Just taking the brush I use for my concealer and simply wiping some of them off. And then just patting it. After I've done the main focus, which is usually around this area, I do like sprinkling some on my forehead, on my chin, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. Now, as the final step, I like setting it with some translucent powder, just to really blend it into the skin, not swiping the powder, just lightly tapping it on top of the freckles. So guys, these are the finished freckles. So yeah guys, this is the final look. These are the final freckles. I hope you think they're as cute as I do. I think it's so fun to experiment with these types of things. You can always adjust the darkness of the freckles to your liking. You can add less freckles, you can add more freckles. You can place them differently than I did. Use this technique as you wish. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions or you just want to tell me any comments that you have, go ahead and comment down below. And since you're here, I'm going to tell you to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you here next time. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. Bye.